Ahmed Jedi is asking what is sub-assembly. So I will give you example. The example which I have given yesterday evening session, if you have joined. So we are producing a car, right? So to produce a car, there is an assembly line, right? So this is called car assembly. So when we call it assembly, this full line is assembly line where the full car would be assembled. At this point of time, we are assembling a gearbox here. Okay. Now this gearbox is produced by another assembly. We are producing a gearbox. There is a small assembly line which is producing a gearbox and supplying it to the main assembly line. So this gearbox assembly, which is going into the main assembly, this is called sub-assembly. And this is called main assembly. This is called main assembly. Okay.
So in sub-assembly, you are completing one kind of component, right? For example,
Kind of
gearbox.
component which will be used in the further assembly.
I mean, complete sub-component, right?
Complete subcomponent, right?
Thank you.
Yeah. So this is what is assembly and this is what is sub-assembly.